Hi, my name is Jim. I'm one of the co-founders of UrbanRay, and I'm happy to present you our delivery concept today. We all know it, urban areas are not famous for getting through traffic well. Everyone wants to get to the next place fast, get their products as soon as possible. But that pushes logistics to their limits. In system-relevant areas, it's already incredibly inefficient. Patients sometimes have to wait for several hours until their vitals get analyzed. Hospitals work to a large extent with taxis, and in some cases, an ambulance is sent for just a single sample. They are all tied to the roads, but UrbanRay uses a new mobility level. The unused lower airspace enables fast and reliable deliveries with drones. No more delivery services stuck in traffic jams, second row parking, waiting in front of traffic lights, ultimately running late and, for example, costing patients valuable time. We literally fly over the problems by delivering goods by air with drones. You can reach us via our website, urban-ray.com, or look for us on LinkedIn and give us a call. Thank you.